I've got some cool stuff in the shop this week. It's been kind of nice, stuff coming in all week long, but what I've got here is actually a blue blocking lens. So this is a newer company. It's called EyeOs, but they make a lens that is designed to block blue light, which of course in prescription I can get all the time, but this is ready to go as they come in. So no prescription in these, but goes all the way up to a plus 250. You can order custom prescription in them as well. That's nothing special, but the price point on these is. So you can find these most places, they're around $100. I think it's 110 is the MSRP on them. But you get a really nice, well-made frame here. So it's really a cut above average just on that aspect. Typically an over-the-counter reader or over-the-counter anything, you can tell they're junk. They just don't hold up. You can go to the dollar store, get them for $1 a piece. They fall apart by the end of the day. You're going all week long getting pair after pair or whatever, but you have them everywhere, so who cares? I care. I hate having to deal with those glasses. I'm sure everybody else does as well. I see them all the time broken. People bring them in to fix. It's $1. Go get another one. Anyways, kind of the special thing here, so these are a blue blocking lens, as I mentioned, and I carry them in blue blocking up to plus 150 in the store. After that part, you're kind of out past what the typical computer range would be. So the big advantage with these though, so the blue blocking range, what's typically considered the more strain causing, the one that drives us crazy for staring at it all day, is going to be in that 415 to 420 nanometer range. Now you'll see some people advertise 405. That's still mostly in the UV spectrum, so it isn't really offering the benefits that you would get from something like this. These actually block up to 85% of the blue light up to that 420 nanometer spectrum. So again, the same quality you're going to get in our prescription blue light blocking lenses. Not quite as good as the 160 blue light blocking, but again, 160 index is going to block most blue light on its own, so it's already leaps and bounds ahead of anything else. Now, I mentioned this material and this lens combination gets up to that 85%, and it's way better just on the frame quality. And you've actually got the silicone nose pads. They're mounted there into the acetate to that full metal core in this particular piece. Good stuff. The cheaper stuff you'll find anywhere, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Walmart, whatever, you're mostly getting an anti-reflective coating on the front surface of the lens that's going to reflect away some blue light, but really you're only getting in that 10, 12, maybe 15% blue light blocking. It's just not as good. So this is a new product I'm really excited about, and hopefully you guys will be too. I highly recommend checking them out, whether you come into my store or not. Check out EyeOs eyewear. Great stuff. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave some feedback. Let me know what else you're looking to see. I'll take care of it as good as I can. Take care.